What's happening, y'all? It's a beautiful day at Drive the Coast. Absolutely gorgeous day down by the beach. We'd love to be there, but right now we're gonna be doing a walk around video on a 1995 AM General Hummer H1. Everybody knows this truck. Obviously, it was first used by the US military in 1992. That would be the first year that it was available for civilian use. Still came through the same factory as what they made for the military, but they put air conditioning in it, they put some sweet paint jobs on it, and some other creaser comforts like nicer seats, much more finished out dash, and they sold them to the public up until 2006 when they had the Alpha Edition. They made three different types. You had the open top, which is what this one was. So this top up front, the soft top comes off, so you can have full view of the sun if you want to do that, or also have the shade there. They had the hard top version as well as the wagon. So 1995, they used the 6.5 non-turbo motor. That's the best one of the three that they offered. The 6.2 was super slow. The 6.5 turbo had the problems with the number 8 cylinder. So this one is the non-turbo, perfect condition, runs great. It's only got 84,000 original miles on it. It's been upgraded with the latest model mirrors that look way sexier than the original ones. 4 hard doors. These things are expensive to get these days. They came with the truck originally. They're solid. They also have the electric windows in it, which all work like they should. Gas tank, you're running 39-inch Super Swampers. Can pretty much get through anything. You got all the time full-wheel drive. The disc brakes are up in the center, not out at the hub. Something very unique for the AM General Hummer H1. Big bumper back here. Got plenty of places to hook stuff, hook straps on, hook whatever you need. Small tailgate here. Got the functionality of a pickup truck. Love that. All aluminum body, so it's not susceptible to rust. You got black Rhino wheels. Paint is really in excellent condition overall. This is original paint, great condition, kind of a dark green. Looks a little different in different levels of sunlight, but man, it's sweet. Fires right up, can drive it anywhere today, on-road and off-road. Does have the Turbo 400 automatic transmission. Like I said, all the time four-wheel drive. You got a hydraulic winch up front here, get you out of anything you want. It's probably 12, 15,000 pound winch. It's big if you look up front, really big winch. Snorkels up top here, great condition. No cracks on the glass anywhere. All that's in excellent shape. Let's hop on into the inside, take a look at the condition of the seats and interior. Original Hummer steering wheel for the passengers. The odometer is showing right at 84,322 miles. Cassette electric windows, works great. You have the driver control right here for the locks in the driver window. The rest of them can be controlled right on the right side of the dash there. Let's get in and fire it up. Let's hear what a real diesel sounds like. Diesel trucks they make these days sound more like a gas motor. So this one's got the original weight to start. So that's going to be heating up the glow plugs, because obviously diesels do not have spark plugs. So this is a cold start. So we waited here, light went off, fires right up. Gauges are all working great, running about 55, 60 PSI oil pressure. You have an aftermarket stereo right here from Kenwood. You can hook your phone Bluetooth wise. As far as the shifters, you got high, low, and high-low. In the 4x4, you got automatic with overdrive. Some parking brake right here. So we got full headlights and running lights all come on. Wipers work like they should. Gauge lights all working great. Let's take a look at the seat covers. You got a light khaki interior. These are the stock seats that came with the civilian H1s in excellent condition. You also have a optional seat in the center here where you can add 2 small humans, kiddos. They also come with seat belts there, so you can actually get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 passengers. You can see in the ceiling here, you got padded roll bars. All that's in excellent shape. Grab handles all in excellent shape. Same with the underside headliner or the soft top. Beautiful condition there. It's actually surprisingly comfortable for as beastly of a truck that it is. When you look at those suspension coils, those things are thick, made to take weight, made to take a thrashing, like as they were designed for the military. It's a turbo 400, and it's also got overdrive. So on the stick here, you got O and you got drive. So we're gonna be in overdrive. Got that humming of the wheels. But just a great truck, fires right up. Got 84,000 original miles on it. Definitely not gonna win any type of luxury car contest, but that's not what this truck is designed to do. When you're driving this thing, you just feel like a beast, you know what I mean? You feel like a badass. You feel like you own the road because your car takes up the whole lane. I've daily driven one of these before when I've had them in stock. I daily drove this one when I had it in stock for a little bit as well. And it just drives awesome. Let's see if we can fit through this gate here. See what she can do a little bit. Be in her element. What I'm talking about. Just a beast. So she's all the time 4-wheel drive. So you cannot take it out of 4-wheel drive. It's always going to be in there. Which is great. That's what it's designed to do. The 6.5 non-turbo motor. It's actually got surprising turning radius. When they designed the truck, the disc brakes are up in the center. So there's not a bunch of stuff out on the hubs. So that allows it to be able to turn sharper. And it really doesn't have a long wheelbase. But it's got great acceleration, great pedal response. This drives exactly like we want it to. Be a daily driver if you want it to do that. Keep it at the ranch. Drive it on the highway if you want to. It's just an everywhere machine. Lots of accessory parts also available. Predator Motorsports out of California. They're really known for a lot of Hummer stuff. You can do modifications there, brush guards, you know, a bunch of different types of racks, any type of modifications. Those guys are the guys for that. About one finger on the wheel, got great power steering, easy to drive, anybody can drive it. Back at the shop. Anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the walk around video of our 1995 AM General. This is a real truck. If you're looking to be king of the road, give me a call. We'll make you a sweet deal on it. We do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available with only 10% down, 660 credit score, up to 180 months through Collector Car Lending. Very easy to apply. Hop online at drivethecoast.com. This is Josh at Drive the Coast. Y'all have an awesome day.